MPP Working President Sarat Kumar terms allegation of attack on interim President O. Jugindro as baseless. Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar writes to CMs of UP and Uttarakhand asking for land for guest house in Radhakund and Haridwar. Intensified mission Indradhanush to focus on select areas where coverage has been low in northeast states. Traffic violators fined during mega traffic lok adalat. People asked to follow traffic rules to prevent accidents. And the people of Tamenglong and Nonne districts lament a suspension of autonomous district council for more than 6 months. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Working President of Manipur People's Party MPP Sarat Kumar Maimom has termed the allegations against him that he attacked the interim President O. Jugindro and the driver of the party Bananda with a knife as unfounded and baseless. He said yesterday's incident was an attempt to cover up the misappropriation of the party's funds by O. Jugindro and his son. He alleged that the incident was enacted. Meanwhile, Sarat Kumar Maimom has lodged a complaint with the DGP to take actions against O. Jugindro, Bananda and their gang for assaulting him. Speaking to media persons at Raj Medicity Hospital at North AOC, Sarat Kumar alleged that O. Jugindro, Bananda and their supporters trashed him badly without any provocation at the MPP office yesterday. He said they also dragged him out of the office. Sarat Kumar also said he was injured in the face and other parts of the body and he managed to escape from them and took shelter. According to Sarat Kumar, Jugindro did not agree to show the 18,30,121 rupees of a party's expenditure account for 1.5 months, and this caused a friction between them.
Full presence so maji candidate amoina thoningba meeting manungda maji ama oi masina maram oirga ai sisu thorpa yai haibagi maram si ma yamna chauna mangonda thajaba leibani masina su mana aigi life si karigumba mana ngarang si mapan mai muthalaga mana aiburu chatpa ngai basi ai su singnadna thoktabani adubu thoktabasi moina tholo na singthokpase ai thohudabane ba moina khalina mapanda moisi adum moigi gang haitare engagement mayam si moi nektna leihrabani ai thomadi ngarang mapanda romadi ai sirambasu ai.
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar has written to the Chief Ministers of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand requesting for 5 acres each of land for the construction of Manipur guest house in Radhakund in Uttar Pradesh and Haridwar in Uttarakhand. Yumnam Joy Kumar disclosed this while speaking at the last day of the 219th death anniversary of Rajarshi Bhagyachandra, organized under the initiative of Rajarshi Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation Manipur at Radhakund in Uttar Pradesh. He said if the 2 states allot the lands, the government of Manipur will make all-out efforts for the construction of the guest houses. Joy Kumar described Rajarshi Bhagyachandra as a king who worked for the advancement of the Manipuri society and said the king promoted the arts and cultures of the state. Yai School MLA T.H. Satyabrata praised Rajarshi Bhagyachandra as a king who had created a platform to introduce the art and culture of Manipur to the rest of the world. Khetrigao MLA T.H. Indrajit and the chairperson of Social Welfare Board S.H. Satyabhama also took part in the event. Various performances like Wari Liba, Gauri Lila, Ras Lila, Pung Dhumen, a play on Rajarshi Bhagyachandra by REM Theatre highlighted the event.
Chief Minister chithi mayu UP ki Chief Minister chithi mayu chithi dudi Uttarakhand ki kanusina Haridwar da ekar manga PY na hayo aduga Radhakund da sida ekar manga masu moi chief minister sing du hairga ma soidana madu pen na tor ke hai ai already chithi sing du I he RSS on this moi mating pange kanu makte da sabo ko makte moi mating pange adu lerge di ko Manipur government of the so ko soidana hai badu da phajana torga mithung pham gi kari gi gari la ko gari thambam ni sing ko chauna phajana tongna adu mai soidana sinjegi.
Regional Resource Center for Northeast States, a branch of NHSRC, New Delhi, supported by UNICEF, organized a media sensitization workshop on intensified mission Indradhanush for the northeastern states at Guwahati today. Journalists from Manipur, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland participated in the workshop. Editor-in-Chief of Impact News, Yumnam Rupachandra, attended the workshop. 7 states in northeast India will launch Mission Indradhanush, a flagship immunization scheme of the Government of India, in an intensified manner from October 7 this year. Intensified Mission Indradhanush IMI will focus on select urban areas and other pockets where coverage has been low. Director of RRC Northeast, Dr. Bhamintada, highlighted the status of routine immunization in the Northeast. He encouraged media persons to play a key role in sensitizing communities with accurate and timely information on the importance of achieving full immunization. Dr. Bhamin also mentioned that funds are not an issue for the program. However, the state government should not divert the funds. Health Officer for Northeast States, UNICEF, Dr. Maulik emphasized the milestones achieved in the journey of immunization program since 1978. The mission targets more than 90% in districts by December 2018. Manipur State Museum celebrated its 48th Foundation Day today at Manipur State Museum. Speaking on the occasion, Art and Culture Minister L. Janata Kumar said the museum is a mirror that reflects the roots and progress of a society. He said the museum needs a renovation and additional items in order to attract more visitors. Janata Kumar also observed that it needs more manpower for its proper maintenance. He reveals that discussions are on with the officials concerned to renovate the museum to attract tourists during the upcoming Manipur Sangai Festival. Janata Kumar also said the preparations are on to restore the Kangla Museum and INA Moirang. A booklet on Manipur State Museum was released on the occasion. The minister also unveiled a statue of Maharaj Gambhir Singh along with his army on the museum campus. An exhibition of rare artifacts was also held on the occasion.
Museum home gakten ye identify to number 1 Eastern Museum, number 2 Kangla Museum, number 3 INA Museum. Ada masida akoi mong ta thap to ba nang badra hai bi tha jab lai mong ta ba curator hap te lo na tongan field sing da idea ano ba mong ta ba puto ngam ba makhali mission khan ba adigi loina right from grade 4 madudagi hauna darkar lege do makhali men po khoi changani shena maki ado khoi honorable chief minister da ati mayam dagi maru loina maru be mayam chim rak dagi mato iman mandana hen maru be se sidesu amalai na habin matu puthoga koi men power se yari ke thon to ngam ba ke lege habitu koi yengjage.
Traffic violators were imposed fines during a mega traffic lok adalat in the capital city today. People have been asked to follow traffic rules to prevent road accidents and save lives. Manipur Legal Services Authority, District Legal Services Authority, Imphal West, Transport Department and Traffic Police, in collaboration with Manipur Police, held a mega traffic lok adalat with the objective to reduce traffic volume and prevent road accidents in the city. The Adalat, which was held along Kanglapat stretch of the National Highway number 2, imposed heavy fines on those who were caught violating traffic rules like non-wearing of helmet and seat belts, non-payment of tax and driving without license and other related documents. Public Prosecutor of CJM Imphal West, Arjit Kumar Mutum, stated that the Lok Adalat was being held to check the increasing traffic volume. He pointed out that violation of traffic rules and rash driving are the main cause of road accidents.
Nukti traffic ki volume ji yam khalakpa adagi safety ki chang ji nemtharak pasai da safety da maru na emphasis pirakanda National Legal Services Authority na pirakpa direction amagi matungina ko Manipur State Legal Services Authority loinana district legal services authority khucham narakanda ekoi ngasigi mega traffic lok adalat si pangthokpa
ngasi khudung sabasi lawjara ko khoin haijabadi mayam saubibuge muhutta mayam akoida sahajok pibiyoba ngasi akoina hoi lambi satpada khudung akoi khudung sadaba khitang de akoi ngasi sumana tholle ko adu argasi si mayam da akoi gi miyam da sigumba akoi traffic ki rules regulation se miyam da miyam ngakna satpa tabani akoi gi gari ama thorabadi gari ama tongabadi haibado akoi mayam da khangan janaba paujene ba akoi gi rule ngakna satpa miyoi singdesu aina request tawjari dadi mathangda so adum certificate to pairaga adum satpiro rule ngakna chali haibase haibatu mayam do unnaba aduga aduna pidam pham oiraga mayam na sumatung inaba road accident se yari makai koi thondanaba koi safety measures sing do lausi.
Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham today took part in a cleanliness drive, Swachhta Hi Seva campaign in and around the Imphal International Airport. The minister said it is very important to keep the airport neat and clean. The Swachhta Hi Seva campaign was organized by Airports Authority of India and will be observed till October 2nd to create awareness about cleanliness on environmental condition in the country. Officials of Imphal International Airport, Deputy Commandant, staff of Air India Indigo, Jet Airways and Air Asia and personnel of CISF, ASG also participated in the cleanliness drive. Five-day festival of Ras Leela commemorating the 219th death anniversary of Rajarshi Bhagyachandra began today at Jawahar Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Oinam MLA L. Radhakishore inaugurated the festival. Maharaj, Kunjaras, Vasanta Raj, Nitya Raj and Diba Raj will be performed during the five-day festival. Vice Chairman of JNMDA, Professor H. Tombi, gurus and students of the academy attended the inaugural event. Artists performed Maharaj on the first day of the festival. Two-day training program on Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya Maha Parikshan Abhiyan began at the Art and Culture Hall at the Palace Compound today. Bharatiya Janata Party Mahila Morcha, Manipur Pradesh organized the training program with an objective to impart the ideology and perspective of Pandit Dindayal to the women members of the party. Speaking at the event, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit said the program was organized to spread the philosophy and ideology of the RSS leader Pandit Dindayal to the people. He further said the BJP always follows the ideology of the Pandit and that it is necessary for all the new members to understand the ideology of the party. Biswajit said the ideology of Pandit Dindayal is secular. He said Dindayal stood for the betterment of the poor.
To serve the last man in the queue. Adudi kariba poorest of the poor. Madu han serve the poor. I mean the sensitive position. Other machine Antidia Habi Asimba Kanushi Sarkodia and Sarkodia said the defense of Polimana high quality point of the position for the connecting Jan Kodan. And the defense of Pomana Aramina, for Sarkodia, Zikari Hageda, but she dies of all. The market set to a I was guys of the last person I have seen.
Members of Tamenglong and Longmai districts, citizens of Welfare Forum, said the people of the districts are facing difficulties as the Autonomous District Council Tamenglong has been suspended for more than 6 months. The forum drew the attention of the government to the matter and want of people's agitation. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, President of the forum, Rangam Thoitak, said Tamenglong Autonomous District Council was suspended following political crisis and the people are facing a lot of problems, including issue of domicile certificate. The forum also appeals to Deputy Commissioner and Chief Executive Officer of Tamenglong and Nonne districts to look into the matter.
Citizens sing the Phamthukpa scheme let it be electricity, for example, let it be a housing scheme, let it be anything which is under the district council administration, masi full-fledged oina, full measure the pangre. Adina citizens say they have been pressing and they are ready. An agitation will block everything. If it is a legal entanglement or a political entanglement, forum ki duty di, we request the state government and the district administration to please look into the matter so that public ki tolerance asye yamna nungai na tolerant level se the leiringai da yamna nungai na loisin ningai se appeal tawjari.
District Magistrate Imphal East, T.H. Chitra, has imposed Section 144 in Imphal East District for a period of 2 months with effective from today. The order prohibits gathering of more than 5 individuals, which is likely to be unlawful, and carrying of firearms, sticks, stones, weapons or objects which can be used in any violent activities. A 7-day social service organized by Meitei More Council, All Community Development Council More, and All Manipur Students Union Technopal in connection with 121st birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irabat kicked off today at More. The birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irabat will be celebrated on the last day of the social service, and painting and essay writing competitions will also be held on the same day. The people of Lairongtel today took out a protest march from Moirangkhom towards the Chief Minister's bungalow, demanding the government's action against Lairongtel Ningel Zila Parishad Pradhan and ward members. The police prevented the protesters from marching ahead at the MSRTC gate at Moirangkhom. Convener of Lairongtel Ningel Gram Panchayat Development Committee, Sorokaibam Sanaton, alleged that Zila Parishad Pradhan and ward members had misappropriated the MNEREGA funds of over rupees 7 crore and 50 lakhs. He maintains that there are 2,542 job card holders in the panchayat, but a card holder gets only rupees 2,500 for 5 years. He said an individual is entitled to above rupees 30,000 for 5 years. Mention may be made that the committee had submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister on September 15, demanding action against the Pradhan and ward members.
Members in Manaraga Mokumasan Manaraga 7 crore Herbagi amount Chahi Mangagi in 2013 to 17 go in a Loto Kibagi Mata under the Akonasi protest release Silak Mamang the date 15 the Miang with the same the Memorandum Pisan Matamda Haptama Lerga Akon Excel local can you have Matuna Akonasi Excel local to begin Matuna Akon Excel local you have release Silak Sabani. As the Miamna Marie and about teaching na Lariva Lemton and Grand Project Development Committee Mike Junction Labor Kongjanga Sida. Marie and about teaching a young Changbu at Matamda Masidata Changal Targadi Akan Behana Sidagi and Akan Bokong Changal can have a form the Tamari.
People took out a protest rally against the withdrawal of 3-day wages of at least 240 job card holders without their knowledge in Wangjingpuna Ward number 1 under Chairil Gram Panchayat in Kakching district. Speaking to media persons, an account holder Sagolchem Bhabeshwari alleged that ward member R.K. Lakshmi withdrew the 3-day wages of the job card holders in collusion with the bank. She questioned as to how the funds were withdrawn from accounts which were allotted with ATM cards and passwords by the government without the account holders' knowledge, and appeals to the department concerned to clarify the matter and punish the culprits. Directorate of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution has allotted AAY and PHH rice for the month of October 2017 for Karong, Mao and Tadubi Assembly constituencies. District Supply Officer CAF and PD Senapati in a press release informed FPS rationing agents concerned to collect their permits. Now it's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more news updates. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. In a search operations conducted at Khurai Lamlong Bazaar area, Imphal East Police Commando seized 40 kilos of ganja from 2 persons today. The ganja was seized from a Tata Magic vehicle coming from Sawambung around 12:50 in the afternoon. The arrested persons are identified as Laishram Ibo Halbi, 60 years, from Yaurabung Mayailekai, and Raju Kumar Das, 39 years, from Dimasu District, Assam. Drivers of goods trucks have drawn the attention of the authorities concerned to their problem and urged them to allow them to unload the goods from their trucks. Around 176 goods trucks are stranded for 13 days near the FCI godown in Sangaipro due to insufficient space in the godown. Speaking to media persons, the drivers lamented their woes and said trucks which arrived on September 7 are yet to be unloaded. They have been told that there is no enough space for the goods in the FCI godown. The drivers said only 1 or 2 trucks are allowed to unload in a day, and it has caused grievous inconveniences to them. They urge the authorities to look into the matter immediately. It may be mentioned that goods vehicles loaded with rice and pulses are often stranded near the godown. Drivers had protested in the past too.
Irija mai thajabam leite chana thakna ising si wai nomagi gari ani thai ahum thai mari thai tawrisi akhoi na hajari da tai gendna te khara thuna cha tharaga akhoi samuk chachaki ba purai ba paisa do ga akhoi na lem dori paisa ji hisab kitab ji barabar we ba akhoi da mamang de lebisu tung da lak pana tung gi thabi mang de lebina mang de thabi serial de thabi wa bini ngarang lak ba ga ju ngasi thawjal le ade akhoi ji ji leiri ba lepham chafam gari yang kai umbu cham chani leirisi khong am ni khalo patara ade ya swai de ising lore batilam de patara.
OPDs of REM's hospital will remain open on October 2nd in the interest of patients. In a press release, the medical superintendent has asked all concerned to attend to their duties to ensure smooth functioning of the hospital on the said day. One-day free medical camp, especially for obstetric and gynae patients, was organized today by Friends in Need Society Finds in collaboration with Maipakpi Maternity and Hospital, Imphal, at the club in Hairok Parts 2 Bazaar today. The medical team, including 25 nurses led by Dr. K.H. Tomba, checked up around 195 gynae patients and also distributed free medicines to them. Kakchin Kunau College Students Union has termed the non-distribution of student scholarships as depriving the students their rights. In a press release, the union condemned the police action against protesting students. REM Theatre today celebrated its 82nd Foundation Day. REM Theatre, one of the oldest theatre centres in the state, played a significant role in the promotion of theatre. The second REM Theatre souvenir was also released on the occasion held at the theatre at the Wahing Bamlekai. Floral tributes were also offered at the portraits of deceased artists of the theatre at the event. A 5-day training program on life skill, leadership and personal development began today at Moray College. The program is organized by the National Service Scheme Cell NSS Manipur University in collaboration with a Regional Directorate NSS Guwahati under the aegis of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Around 50 NSS volunteers will be provided training. Director of Regional Directorate NSS Guwahati, Coordinator of NSS Cell Manipur University, Principal of Moray College, teachers and students of the college took part in the inauguration.
Presently, NSS is covering 402 universities, 13,000 colleges and more than 12,000 plus 2 schools, 34 plus 2 councils and lot of engineering and medical colleges. The aim of a scheme is to channelize the youth power towards constructive activities for the development of nation as a whole. Even though they have been in the bordering area, so they are not getting lot of facilities and they are underprivileged. So in future we will try to organize more and more program under the banner of NSS for the development of the bordering areas.
Kongpal Khongkham Lekai Awang Meira Loop and Kongpal Lai Hidden Lamjing Meira Paibi Women's Welfare Association organized a public awareness meeting on drug abuse at Kongpal Lai Hidden Khongkham Lekai today. CADA President Advocate Y. Ratan Kumar maintains that people of age groups in Manipur use intoxicants, and this has put Manipur in the list of states with a maximum number of cancer and heart patients. He said experts believe 80 out of 100 people in Manipur use intoxicants. He asserted that collective efforts of the people are needed to stop this problem in the state. Imphal East SP Kabib K was also present at the meeting. The staff of Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police Bishnupur donated Rs 4 lakh to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. The amount was handed over to Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin at Chief Minister's Secretariat. Deputy Commissioner Imphal East in a press release said computerized Jamma Bandi of 32 Khabaishoy and 70 Chongthaba villages under Sub-Deputy Collector Sawambung will be issued from September 27th at the Office of Deputy Commissioner Imphal East, Parampat from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. on all working days. Manipur State Council for Child Welfare organized a national painting competition at Moirangkhom today. Around 50 students from different schools took part in the competition held in 3 categories. Mummy Artists Association's new production, Sabalgi Hawai Maton, was launched today at the association's office at Konung Mamang. Ranjit Ningthauja is the script writer, while Narendra Ningomba will direct the Sumang Lila. The Sumang Kumai revolves around the prevailing situation. It is expected to be released in October. Now the sports news. SDC Samurao and Bakhe VC team A. Lamphel Sanakaitel will meet in the final of the 37th Junior Boys Volleyball Tournament organized by All Manipur Volleyball Association at the indoor stadium of Kuman Lampak. In the first semi-final match played today, SDC Samurao beat NYVA Naurem 25-23, 22-25, 25-14 and 25-14 to book a berth in the final. While Bakhe VC team A, Lamphel Sanakaitel defeated the YMDO Hairangoi-thong 25-20, 25-22, 19-25 and 25-14 to enter the final. 10 teams took part in the tournaments. The final match will be played on the 26th of this month. Maricom Regional Boxing Foundation in a press release said selection trials for 15 girls and 15 boy boxers from 12 to 16 years to be coached at Maricom Sai Boxing Academy will be held at the academy at National Games Village Langol at 11 a.m. on September 29. Famyai School beats their rival at the Under-14 Boys President Cup Hockey Championship. In a league match played today at Hockey Stadium, Kuman Lampak, Famyai School dropped CO Singjamai Wangma 13-1. For the winners, Ndata netted 4 goals in the first, 23rd, 41st and 43rd minute. M. Alex also netted 4 goals in the 12th, 16th, 19th and 28th minute. P. Naukomba netted 2 goals in the 15th and 30th minutes, while K. Langamba, T.H. Kennedy and K.H. Mangalsana netted 1 goal each. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by P. Ringson in the 40th minute of the match. UYC Kanglatombi got a walkover as CO Singjamai Wangma did not turn up for the match. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. MPP Working President Sarath Kumar terms allegations of attack on Interim President O. Jugindro as baseless. Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar writes to Chief Ministers of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand asking for land for guest house in Radhakund and Haridwar. Intensified mission Indradhanush to focus on select areas where coverage has been low in northeast states. Traffic violators fined during mega traffic Lok Adalat. People asked to follow traffic rules to prevent accidents. And the people of Tamenglong and Nonne districts lament the suspension of Autonomous District Council for more than 6 months.